Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2021 Audi Q5 and we're going to do the rear chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the top rear, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material, that way it changes the look on the chrome design that the vehicle has. If you like the product, link for the product will be in the description below. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So to prep it, all you need is a spray bottle with water and baby shampoo inside. Once you mix it, spray your solution to a clean microfiber towel and just clean off any contaminants that the panel may have. And then once you're done cleaning the panel, make sure that everything is completely dry before starting the installation. So once the panel is ready to install, we can go ahead and start by installing the piece that goes underneath the panel here. So with this one, you can start from either side. Just make sure wherever you start, you align it right on the edge, and you slowly, little by little, make your way to the other end. With this one, there's a small cutout right underneath the panel. That's where you would align the film. Use that to align it, and then just follow the design of the panel. So start from one end, align it, and just follow the design. Now that we place the film, you grab your squeegee and just start tacking down the film. Make sure you remove any air bubbles that are behind the film. And then once you're done with this piece, you move on to the next one. So now we're moving on to the next piece. So with this one, you can start from either side of the panel. Let me just place it there. Just make sure wherever you start, make sure you align it to the design. Make sure you give yourself just a little bit of material to cover the chrome on the curve here, and then just go little by little following the design of the panel. And make sure to lift the film carefully. You don't want to accidentally tear the film. So once you place the film, you grab your squeegee and start working on the top section first. Make sure you tack down this whole top area. And then once you tack down the top area, secure this middle section. Make sure you remove any air that's trapped behind the film, and then just help it underneath the panel. On the two edges, we're going to apply heat just to help the film mold to the curve. That way it stays tacked down and it doesn't lift. You grab your heat gun, lift it a little bit, and then apply heat and then just help it tack down to the curve. Let it cool off, and you're just helping it tack down. And if you have any excess material on the top section here or on the edges, you'll just go ahead and trim them off, but just make sure you help it tack down on the edge first. So once you finish installing the whole panel and you also trimmed off all the excess material, the last thing to do would be to apply heat all around the panel. And applying heat to the panel will help the adhesive activate faster. So we want to make sure we apply heat all over the panel. And if there's any edges that are still lifting, with the heat, will help them tack down. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation for this part. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the rear chrome delete for the 2021 Audi Q5. We hope that this video helped you guys out with this installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.